Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Algorand. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Algorand has broken out another falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, and after that, it formed another broadening rising wedge pattern. And you can see whenever it was getting bound from the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern, it was forming higher highs. And this time, after getting rejected by the resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern, first we got bounced from this support here, but finally, we have broken down the support. And the reason is this very long-term resistance on that starts from to 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. And you can see that for the past several days, the price is struggling to break it out, but could not break out. And now recently, it is again rejected and broke down the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern. But still, there is a hidden bullish divergence on this daily time frame chart, as you can see that the price line is still forming slightly higher low than previous low, but at the same time, you can see that RSI oscillator is forming lower than previous low. So there is a hidden bullish divergence signal flashed on this daily time frame chart. Therefore, this can be a possibility that the price end may start another correction move to the upside to re-enter the same broadening rising wedge pattern. Yes, it is possible that if the price end move slightly more down and forms another lower than previous low, then this hidden bullish divergence signal can be removed from the chart. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very huge resistance breakout from this very big falling wedge pattern that is happened on this 7 days time frame chart. And after the breakout, you can see that the price end rallied very well. So far from this low, when we were testing the support of the wedge here up till this high, you can see that it has rallied more than 302%. And now we need to break out this long-term resistance that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. And you can see that previously this resistance line has been working as a very strong resistance line here, resistance here, support here for several weeks a month, and here as a support. And after the breakdown, after the month of November 2022, it is still breaking as a very strong resistance. And at the same time, Algorand has also formed this very big inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. This is the left shoulder and the head, and this is the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Shiba Inu, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared the signal, for example, in this case, I shared this signal on 12th of March 2024. You can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price end moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm doing here. And after that, it will show you how the price end moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a very nice pump. You can see that the price end moved slightly beyond this resistance zone, not the resistance zone, a sell target zone that I have defined as per the Fibonacci sequence of this chart and move. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Algorand, and first of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart. And previously I've been showing you this falling wedge pattern, and when it was squeezed inside this wedge, I've been telling you that we have found a very nice support here at 15 cents. In fact, this is a quite long-term support of 15 cents. And therefore, I was telling you that now after getting squeezed and dropping down at this support, there is a very high probability that soon we may break out this wedge. And you can see that we broke it out. And then the price line rallied beyond the target that I was telling you here at the top of the wedge at 25 cents. You can see that the price line rallied beyond that target. And from this though to here, you can see it was more than 122% pump. And the price then formed another broadening rising wedge pattern. You can see whenever it was getting bounced from the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern, it was forming higher highs and higher lows. And this time you can see that the price line has broken down the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern, but still there is a hidden bullish divergence on this chart as RSI is forming lower than previous low, and price line is not able to form another lower than previous low. In fact, it is forming slightly higher low than previous low. Therefore, there is a probability that the price line may try to re-enter the same broadening rising wedge pattern and try to break out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. And in fact, this resistance zone is also breaking as a neckline of a very, very huge inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. And if the price line breaks out this resistance zone, then it will be also breaking out this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. And now if the price line breaks out this inverse head and shoulder pattern, the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, then target for this breakout will be here. That will be approximately at $1.03. And now if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this very, very big falling wedge pattern, you can see that the price line has rallied very well, more than 300%, but still a very, very big move due. And that is the target for this breakout from this wedge. And that is here at the top of the wedge that can be between $2.60 to $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.